All right, here we are with part 3. Come on. Oh, Kevin.
Oh.
I found the funnel.
Oh.
I found it. I found our little funnel. So here we are with part 3 of the oil change. I guess before we put more oil in it, we should probably check where the level of oil is, right? So remember, we had to be what? Almost halfway up, right? You're in the way of the video. Come behind me. Okay? So when you check the oil, you put the dipstick back in and you turn it all the way in. Yep. Now you unscrew it, right? And you check the oil. Well, I don't see anything in there.
Guess we gotta put more oil.
Guess we gotta put more oil, is right. Okay? That's too heavy for you, buddy. A little bit at a time, like that, alright?
Spill again.
Son of a bitch, it's spilling again. We're gonna have to buy like a new funnel, like one of those.
Big one, so it doesn't spill. So it doesn't spill.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell's up with this funnel, but it's not doing anything here. It's clogged? I think it's clogged. Guess the oil's too thick to go through it. We're gonna have to go with the red one and make a mess. Okay? Maybe like that. See if that works for us. Go in there, you son of a...
Beep!
We're making a freaking mess with this oil change, huh?
Yeah. Okay, so next time we do another oil change, please buy a big one.
We'll buy a big funnel?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we need a smaller funnel that could fit inside there. We probably need one of those that like has a twisty thing on it or something. Alright, look at that. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah.
What's that say?
Oil?
Yep. You can see that there's actually oil in there now, right?
Yeah.
I think we were at almost at the right level, I want to say. So we put it all the way in, now we take it all the way out. And where is that? That's at about the halfway mark, right?
Yeah.
So hey, how about that? I think we're good.
Mom, wait, we're going to end the video right here.
What's that?
We're going to end the video right here.
Are we going to end the video right here? Well, I think what we're going to do now is we're going to cut. We're going to go get some gasoline. And we're going to start this bad boy up. What do you think about that?
Gasoline's over there.
Alright, so there we go. That's one oil change in the books for the Harbor Freight MTV snowblower.
Gasoline!
Yep, let's go get some gasoline in the shed.
Shed.
Fill this bad boy up. We still got to put air in the tires yet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll come back with part what? What part is this going to be?
4.
4?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll come back with part 4 of our video series on changing the oil on the snowblower.